All right, thank you for joining us today. And in this video, we are going to look at this question. Yeah, so every month a factory makes X unit of a product. The cost of product Cx is a linear cost function. So what is a linear cost function? So C phi of X, good. So this is the linear cost function. This is the marginal cost, and this is the fixed cost, right? So in other content, we will call this one slope, and we call this one the y-intercept. Good. So that is the idea. So now that we have the cost function, which is equal to mx plus b, then the question went ahead and said it costs $5,000 to make 100 units. So it means that x of, so the quantity, we are going to name it x, which is equal to 100, right? So the cost, which is c of x, but c of x is equal to 100, is equal to $5,000, right? So that's what we have. And then the question went ahead and said it cost $10 to make each additional unit. So when it costs you to make an additional unit, it means that that value here is the marginal cost, because the marginal cost is the one that depends on the quantity that you are going to make, right? So this marginal cost here depends on X. So anytime you want to make an extra unit, there will be a cost of what? $10. So it means that that will be our M, which is the marginal cost. So it means that the linear function is going to be C of X is equal to, this one's supposed to be 10x plus B, right? So this is what, if I'm using the substitution right here. So this is what I'm going to get. Now my X is 100. My X here is 100. So C of 100 will be equal to 10 times 100 plus B. But what is C of 100? C of 100 is equal to 5,000. So I'm going to have 5,000 is equal to 10,000 plus B. Then making B the subject, I subtract 1,000 here, subtract 1,000 here, and B is going to be 4,000. So it means that the cost function is going to be 10x plus 4,000. So this is the cost function. Now let's go ahead and see the B. The B here, we want to, what is the cost of making 50 units? So 50 here is the X, that's the quantity, so 50 units. So we want to know the cost. So we are going to use what our linear function here, or let me say the linear function or the linear cost function. So X of 50 is equal to 10 times 50 plus 4,000, and this is going to be 500 plus 4,000, and this is going to be 4,500. So that is how it's going to be. So let's look at similar one here. So I'll just show it to you. You just do it and then you paste your cost function like this, and then the B, the final result that you are going to also get in the comment section. So this, right, is follow the same trend, and then when you finish, you find the cost of making 50 units from the cost or the linear cost function that you are going to get here.